Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their Epson RapidReceipt RR-600W scanner, a compatible 24V AC-DC adapter. This particular power supply from the brand Ownable positions itself as a high-quality replacement designed specifically for the RR-600W Model B11B2 the precise power requirements of this sophisticated document and receipt scanner. One of the immediate standout features of this adapter is its universal input voltage capability. It accepts AC 100-240V at 5061 Hz automatically, which means it's ready for worldwide use. Whether one is traveling internationally or simply needs a reliable power source that can adapt to different electrical standards, this feature offers immense convenience. No more worrying ensuring a consistent and safe power delivery to the scanner. The output is a steady 24 volts DC, perfectly matching the scanner's specifications. This precise voltage output is critical for the optimal performance and longevity of electronic devices. Using an adapter with incorrect voltage can lead to damage or inefficient operation, so having a replacement that adheres strictly to the original equipment manufacturer's requirements is paramount. This ownable adapter ensures the Epson RR-600W receives exactly what it needs to function flawlessly, from its wireless capabilities to its duplex scanning features. Beyond just compatibility, safety is a major concern with any power supply, and this adapter addresses that directly. It comes equipped with built-in overvoltage protection and overheat protection. These are not just marketing buzzwords. They are crucial safeguards that protect both the adapter itself and, more importantly, the valuable Epson scanner it powers. Overvoltage protection prevents damage from unexpected power surges, while overheat protection ensures the unit operates within safe temperature limits, reducing the risk of electrical hazards. Such features provide significant peace of mind, knowing that the scanner is protected from common electrical issues. Furthermore, the product description highlights that these units are tested units and are in great working condition. This assurance speaks volumes about the quality control process. It suggests that each adapter has undergone rigorous checks to confirm its functionality and reliability before reaching the consumer. For a replacement part, this level of testing is incredibly important, as it minimizes the chances of receiving a faulty product and ensures immediate usability right out of the box. In essence, for anyone needing a dependable power solution for their Epson RapidReceipt RR-600W, this ownable 24V AC-DC adapter presents itself as an excellent choice. It combines universal compatibility, precise power delivery, robust safety features, and verified quality, making it a solid investment to keep that essential scanner running smoothly. It's a practical and reliable option for maintaining the productivity of one's scanning setup.
Video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.